Hello, all of you. Today, my topic is the power of God. So, very powerful topic that I am going to say some line about that supreme soul and his power. So, to know the power of God, first we know ourselves. Then only we can understand the importance of that God and the power of that God. Knowing ourselves is a long journey, step by step, moment to moment. We understand what is going inside ourselves. It is the inner journey to understand everything. Why this type of anger is there, why this hatred feeling, jealous feeling, arrogant feeling, why these things are there within me. Knowing ourselves means if I am able to understand my purpose of life. I think if I understand my purpose, that why I am here, why that supreme God sent me on this planet, then for that day only I will be very careful that okay, this is the reason that God has sent me to fulfill this purpose. So I think that is the first and foremost important thing, to know yourself or to know myself. And if I know my purpose, that okay, this is the purpose, then what the next step will be, I will try to clean my pathway, that okay, these are the hurdle to achieve that purpose, these are my behavior pattern, these are some problem which create lots of problem to achieve that purpose. Then we will work on that part also. Okay, these are the root cause which are creating lots of problem to not achieving that purpose. According to Buddha told the end of suffering is knowing God. A very deep rooted meaning, I think. End of suffering means that it doesn't matter what is going on in your surroundings, which type of things is going on, which type of thoughts is coming, but it will not affect your inner peace, inner love, inner satisfaction. So that is the end of suffering, that you are not affected by out from your environment. You are every time, each and every moment, you are very peaceful, you are very blissful, you are very joyful. So that is means end of suffering. And it needs lots of practice, somehow you can say, everyday practice you need. And for this practice also you need some power, and the power obviously is the power of God. Why we all are needed this power? Because that supreme soul is a supreme energy, and that energy has abundance of love, abundance of power, abundance of peace, abundance of knowledge. So whenever we have that lackness of that love, blissfulness and all these things, we are just going and search from where we can get. So many times we go in our outworld to find this happiness, but after some time again we feel no, we are not satisfied. So in that journey we connect with that God. So that is the power of God, that energy each and every person needs, but they don't have the knowledge that by which way we get this pure energy. Because for the development of human being, this power is very important, and it is very important to connect with that supreme energy. That's all.